After you've put a video from your computer into your PowerPoint, there's still probably a bit of editing needed in order to make its integration as seamless as possible. The size, position, and rotation can be controlled by the bounding box and the circle with an arrow, allowing you to place the video like any other element on a PowerPoint slide. When the video on the slide is selected, you'll notice new tab options at the top of PowerPoint to manipulate the video further. Under the Video Tools Format tab, you'll be able to adjust the look of your video. You can do things like add borders and drop shadows and have fine-tuned control over its positioning on the slide. You can also make some color adjustments to the video in the Adjust section, which can be useful for things like changing the video to black and white. Assuming you don't need to adjust your video's color, the most commonly used tools will be under the Video Tools Playback tab, where you can control how your video functions as opposed to how it looks. In the Video Options section, you can select whether you want the video to start automatically when you first get to the slide, as the next item in the slide's click sequence, or only when you mouse over the video and hit play. You can also decide if you want the video to loop and adjust the video's volume, although you do have slightly more fine-tuned volume control using the volume slider in the video's playback bar. In the editing section, you can trim the video to ensure that only the segment you want to appear actually is seen by the audience. Usually, you'll want to cut off the first few seconds as you get yourself situated, and the last few seconds as you walk to your camera to turn it off. Once you have your video positioned, styled, and functioning the way you want, make sure to save it and to test the slideshow to ensure that your video plays as intended. As always, if you have any questions about how you can effectively use video to enhance your slide decks, you can schedule a consultation in the Digital Act Studio.